Well, Eddie, this didn't go exactly as I had planned.
Planned feels like a strong word. E for what happened here today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I am feeling ambitious.
I know that look. It usually means a big idea and a small mess.
We are going to do some baking. To bake means to cook something, like bread or a cake in an oven. And today we will make the perfect vanilla cupcakes.
There's that word again. Perfect.
I have a special recipe. A recipe is a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients.
The gathering part is always organized. It's the mixing part that gets tricky.
Ingredients are the food items. You need to make something. For our cupcakes, we need flour, sugar, and eggs.
Flour, the white powder, soon to be everywhere.
We also need butter, milk, and a little salt. And the most important ingredient, vanilla extract.
Ah, vanilla. That does smell wonderful. I approve of this ingredient.
Okay, all ingredients are here. Now let's get our utensils.
Utensils. Another word for things to wash later.
Utensils are the tools you use in the kitchen to prepare food. We will need a large mixing bowl. A bowl is a round container,
Also known as my water dish, but bigger.
and this is a whisk. Whisk. We use it to mix things quickly.
It looks like a strange metal flower. Humans and their weird toys.
We will also need a spatula. This is great for scraping the sides of the bowl.
Scraping. He is very good at that part. No batter left behind.
So Mike, let's review. We have the ingredients. We have the utensils.
And I have a comfortable spot to watch the show.
I think we are ready. Let's start mixing. Okay, the first step in most recipes is to combine the dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients. The dusty things. Like flour and sugar.
Exactly, Eddie. So first, the flour. We need to measure it very carefully.
He is very serious about measuring. It is a slow and delicate process.
I'll take 1 cup of flour. Then I will sift it. To sift means to pass the flour through a sieve, like this one. It makes the flour very light and helps to remove any lumps.
It looks like it is snowing. Are you in the kitchen? A very small personal snowstorm.
Now for the sugar and salt. We add them to the same bowl. And you know, this is a great moment for a very important tip.
Ah, the tip section. He pauses the story. To become a professor?
Here are some tips for you. Topic: how to measure ingredients the right way. Tip number 1. For dry ingredients like flour, do not scoop with the measuring cup.
That seems very specific. So many rules for a simple cake.
If you scoop from the bag, you will pack the flour down. This means you add too much flour, and your cupcake will be dense.
Dense is not a good word for cake. It is a good word for a rock.
Tip number 2. Instead, use a spoon to put the flour in the cup. This keeps it light and airy. Much better for baking.
Light and airy. Those are good words for a cloud. And for a good cupcake, apparently.
Tip number 3. Once the cup is full, use a knife to level it off. To level off means to make the top flat. This gives you a perfect measurement.
Perfection again. He truly is on a quest.
So to summarize, spoon the flour, don't scoop. And then level it off.
Noted. I will remember this the next time I bake, which is never.
These little details make a big difference. Trust me. All right, now that our dry ingredients are nicely combined, it's time for the wet ingredients.
The wet ingredients? This is often where the action starts.
I will add the milk, the eggs, and the melted butter. And now I'll use my electric mixer to combine everything.
The loud machine. I will observe from a safe distance.
Here we go. Let's start on O. SFX. Short burst of a mixer on high, then a soft poof sound. Oh dear.
And there it is. The small mess he promised. A little cloud of flour.
Sighs calmly. Well, I made a mistake. But that's okay. Mistakes are for learning. And this mistake is a perfect transition to our next section, common errors.
How convenient. His mistakes are always educational.
Common error number 1, mixing too fast. As you just saw, if you start the mixer on high speed, the flour will go everywhere.
A valuable life lesson. And a lesson in cleaning later.
You should always start on low speed and add ingredients gradually. Gradually means little by little, not all at once. Common error number 2, overmixing. If you mix the batter for too long, the cupcakes will become tough.
Tough cupcakes. That sounds deeply disappointing.
You should only mix until the ingredients are just combined. Okay, now let's do this the right way. On a low speed, just until combined. There, the batter is ready. Batter is the name of this mixture.
It looks like a sweet, creamy soup.
Now I will pour the batter into the cupcake liners. These are the paper cups, and into the oven they go.
The magic hot box. Something amazing always comes out.
We will bake them for about 20 minutes. Now we wait.
Waiting is my specialty. Also, I can start to smell the vanilla.
SFX, a gentle timer dings. Okay, time is up. Let's see how they turned out. And here they are. They are not all perfectly round. This one is a little lopsided, but they smell wonderful.
Lopsided means they have character. They are unique.
I like that, Eddy. Character. Now for the final step, the frosting. Frosting is the sweet topping. I'll just spread a little on top.
He says a little. He is being modest. He loves frosting.
There, a simple swirl. It's not perfect, but it's honest. And now, the taste test. Takes a bite. Wow, that is really good. It is light and airy and sweet.
This is the moment. The true success. Not the look, but the taste.
You are so right, Eddy. And that brings us to our final insight.
Eddy's insight. The recipe promised perfect cupcakes. But I think delicious is much better than perfect.
I couldn't agree more. Today we learned a lot of new words. Like ingredients, utensils to sift, to measure, batter, and frosting. We also learned that it's okay to make small mistakes. We hope you enjoyed our lesson and our imperfect but delicious cupcakes. For your practice, leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite thing to bake? Or maybe your favorite thing to eat?
I can answer that. Everything.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more slow English. Until next time, take care and keep practicing.